Welcome to this tutorial on the Hybrid Pro Welcome DM feature. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and optimize the Welcome DM feature to send automatic direct messages to new followers on Instagram. This is a great way to engage with your audience instantly, enhance connections, and grow your engagement. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Welcome DM? The Welcome DM feature in Hybrid Pro is designed to send an automatic direct message to users who follow your profile. It ensures that every new follower receives a personalized message instantly. This can help you promote your brand, share important links, or simply create a warm introduction to new followers. Section 2. How to enable Welcome DM. To enable Welcome DM, navigate to the Welcome DM section. Check the Enable box to activate the feature. Configure additional options such as Mute approved DM threads. If enabled, this will mute the conversation after the message is sent. Don't attach a profile preview. Prevents your profile preview from being included in the message. Move to General folder. Moves the conversation to the general inbox, helping you keep your primary inbox organized. Set the speed for DMs. The safe recommended value is 30 DMs per day. You can adjust it based on your preference, but staying within Instagram's limits is crucial to avoid restrictions. Section 3. Configuring message templates. Now that we've enabled the feature, let's configure the message content. Go to the Messages setting menu under the Message Templates tab. In the message box, enter the text you want to send to new followers. You can personalize messages using a username. Automatically inserts the recipient's username. Full name. Uses the recipient's full name if available, otherwise the username is used. First name. Displays the recipient's first name, extracted from their profile. You can also include emojis, spintax, and links to make your messages more engaging. Attach media files like images or videos to make your Welcome DM more interactive. Click Save to apply your settings. Section 4. Best practices for Welcome DMs. To ensure your Welcome DMs are effective and engaging, personalize your message. Using variables like username makes the DM feel more natural. Avoid spammy behavior. Sending too many DMs too quickly can flag your account. Stick to Instagram's safe limits. Include value in your message. Share a link to your latest post, website, or an exclusive offer to engage new followers. Test different messages. Experiment with different message formats and track engagement rates to find the best approach. Section 5. Final thoughts. That's all you need to know to set up and optimize the Welcome DM feature in Hybrid Pro. This tool ensures you never miss a chance to engage with new followers instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more automation tips, and leave any questions in the comments below. Happy automating!